we've got some exciting news for all you Samsung Galaxy S24 users out there. Samsung rolled out its highly anticipated Galaxy S24 flagships, and while the reception has been overall positive, some early adopters noticed a peculiar issue with the screen's vivid mode. Multiple reports surfaced claiming that the colors weren't as vibrant as expected in this mode, and Samsung quickly acknowledged the concern. But fear not, Samsung enthusiasts, because we've got some good news. Tipster Ice Universe has revealed that Samsung is actively working on a solution to enhance the vividness of the display. In fact, it seems like they're going a step further by introducing a toggle in the next software update, giving users more control over the vividness settings. The solution involves a three-step option in the advanced settings of the vivid screen mode. The default setting provides a more vivid display than the natural option, although not quite up to the standards of previous Samsung phones. Sliding the toggle to the middle brings the S24 display closer to the vibrant colors of the S23, while the third option supposedly goes even beyond that. If you're wondering where to find this magical toggle, it's nestled in the advanced settings of the vivid screen mode, part of the display settings. You'll find it right beneath the white balance options, allowing users to manually tweak the RGB levels of the display for a customized viewing experience. Despite the vivid mode hiccup, it seems like users are not deterred. Samsung has actually increased its shipment target for the Galaxy S24 series, moving from 12 million to an impressive 13 million units for Q1 2025. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, in particular, is stealing the show with a reported 65% share of pre-orders. The allure of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, titanium frame, and new telephoto camera are clearly captivating the audience. That's all for today. Samsung is on top of the vivid mode issue, and with the upcoming software update, you'll soon have even more control over your display settings. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you with the next one. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy F50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy F54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy F55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter. So, we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024. Following a release schedule of its predecessors, shifting gears to variants in pricing, Bluetooth SIG data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA50056E, DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce, if we consider past generations, it's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the $500 mark. Design-wise, leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: Awesome Ice Blue, Awesome Lilac, and Awesome Navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions are 161.5 by 75.3 by 8.2 mm. Now turning our attention to the display, while exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch FHD Plus display featuring a centered punch hole front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. In terms of performance, the Galaxy A55 continues the series' evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new society is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Exynos 530, based on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 390 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 may continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy F54. Onto the battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25W fast charging with 9 volts and 2.55A support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate a reliable 5000 mAh battery for extended usage. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Lastly, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support, with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. After the release of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, many new owners have voiced their disappointment with the vivid display mode. Unlike previous models, users have noticed that the colors appear less vibrant. Vivid display mode, a long-standing feature on Samsung phones, allows users to enhance colors for a more eye-catching effect, albeit sacrificing some realism. However, this isn't the only display issue affecting S24 users. Some users of the S24 Ultra have reported seeing a thin green line running vertically down their phone's display. In some instances, this bug is accompanied by a thin white line running horizontally across the screen. Numerous complaints have been posted on the Samsung Community Forum, where users express frustration about these lines appearing on their Galaxy S24 Ultra. Despite attempts such as reboots and factory resets, the issue remains unresolved. Users have reached out to Samsung Care seeking assistance for what they believe is a manufacturing defect in their device. However, despite acknowledging the issues, Samsung has refused to exchange the defective devices for new ones. Instead, they have insisted on users returning the unit and repurchasing it, causing users to lose out on any pre-ordered discounts they had received. Samsung's response has sparked controversy. Despite acknowledging the problem, Samsung has refused to exchange defective devices, directing users to their carriers instead. This has led to confusion, especially for users who purchased directly from Samsung but were carrier-locked. Samsung's stance, while citing carrier responsibility, raises questions about warranty coverage and customer service accountability. The lack of an official statement from Samsung has only worsened users' anxieties about the S24 Ultra's overall quality and customer service responsiveness. While a potential software update could resolve the green stripe issue, Samsung's silence on the matter is worrying for early adopters. It's crucial for Samsung to address these concerns openly and promptly, investigating the root cause and offering solutions to affected users. Transparent communication regarding potential fixes or hardware replacements is necessary to maintain consumer confidence in the S24 Ultra. Currently, the issue seems limited to certain units sold by US carriers. If you purchased directly from Samsung, you may be unaffected. As the situation unfolds, it's essential for users to share their experiences, and for Samsung to take decisive action to rectify the problem and reassure its customer base.